Tarpon on. All right, what's up, guys? We are about to get some fishing in today. It's gonna be a very interesting day. Look at what's in front of me. We got these crazy rain clouds right there, like almost all across from me, and it's about 50 to 60% chance of rain. Actually, all of that over there is fucking rain. I could see it. All of that's rain. So I'm hoping the clouds or that storm cloud is going that way instead of this way where I'm gonna be at. But yeah, anyway, quick little intro. We're definitely gonna try to get some fishing today. We're gonna go for some redfish, snook. I lost 2 big snook last time I came out here. Oh, nice snook. Nice snook. Oh, really nice snook. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh no! Fuck! Oh no! Fuck! And I kind of want redemption, so I'm going to the same spot that I lost those snook at and see if anyone's gonna be home. We're also gonna see if there's any tarpon where I saw them last time, so we're gonna stop by and check out that one spot to see if there's tarpon. But anyway, we're gonna try to make the best out of today, regardless of this storm cloud right here. But the water is beautiful. It looks beautiful out, man. Look at this. Not much wind, not much chop out here. But yeah, I got 3 rods with me. I got one with a swim bait, one with a kick of crabs, and we got one with a bigger swim bait for tarpon if we see them. So anyway, we're gonna go after it. Hopefully there's no lightning. If there is, we're definitely not gonna fish too long. But I haven't been fishing like a week and a half, and I've been itching to come out here. But supposedly the lightning and thunderstorms is gonna happen around like 11 o'clock to 12 p.m. and right now it's about 6:30 a.m. right now. So we'll try to fish for like 3 hours, try to make the best of it. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna get out there, head to the spots, fish, and see if we can hook up to some quality fish today. All right, wait until we get to the spot. Peace. These are little tarpon, juveniles. These are smaller tarpon. Tarpon on. Oh! That was huge. Big old fish. Wow. That was so sick. Completely cut me off. There we go. Nice red. Yes. There, nice red. Heck yeah. Finally. There we go. First red of the day. It's a nice red too. Alright. Here we go. Here's our first red of the day today. Caught him off the Slam Shady Diesel Minnow. Little guy. About a 20-inch redfish right here. It's been a tough morning because it's been cloudy, overcast. The sun just came out, and honestly I was messing around with the tarpon earlier this morning and messing with a few of them, and I got one to eat the kicker crabs, and he jumped off like instantly, but I did get to jump him once. We've caught 2 little snook, micro snook, and then now he's caught this red one more time off the diesel minnow, slam shady. So it's a nice little fish right here. Probably gonna let him go and hopefully catch another one. All right, so we lost a nice snook or a red just a little bit ago, and my FG knot came undone, so I did a bad job tying it. So we just retied with a new leader, new slam shady, and we're gonna try to get onto another fish, because we had something going on. Then I lost it with that freaking fish, man. Took me in the mangroves and the whole line just came out. So that was my fault. I don't know what happened to my FG knot. Just came undone. Anyway, we'll try to get into another fish. Hopefully we can get into another fish. The rain just started coming, so. Oh shit. Oh, I just lost the fish right there. That was a nice snook, I think. Just came undone. There's a lot of fish here. There is a lot of fish here. Oh, there's a fish right there. There's a fish. I think it's a red. Nice red. Nice red. Nice red. Oh yeah. Really nice red right here. Second red of the day. Oh. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. There we go. They're out here. They are out here, baby. Woo! Nice redfish. Look at that. Second red of the day. 2 spots on both sides. Really nice. Really, really nice fish. Second red. We're on to something here. This is a good spot. So, I'm gonna let this guy go. Alright, let's pop this off. There we go. Second red of the day. Time to let this guy go and catch another one. There he goes. Oh yeah, look at all that. That's rain. I think I'm about to get rained on pretty bad. I'm really hoping that rain just stays on that side. Here it comes. Oh, a nice little snook. Nice little snook. Little guy. Nice. A little fatter. A little bigger snook than the other ones. I got you, dude. Come on. Nice. Here we go. Nice little guy. See you, dude. We're getting on them. They're all over here. Spot's producing. Almost took a shower right there. We could find a bigger red. That'd be nice. That's a nicer fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice red right there. Heck yeah, bigger red. Woo! Hell yeah. Nice, dude. Oh, I don't think he's hooked very good. Wow, he's angry. Oh, hell yeah. We got him. Woo! Wow. That is a bigger red, bro. Holy crap. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That is the red I'm looking for right here. Check out this redfish right here. Woo! Hell yeah. Look at that red. Huge redfish. Well, not huge, but chunky. Chunky redfish right here. It's our third one of the day. Hell yeah. Third red of the day. Off to Slam Shady, baby. Getting it done. This is a really fat redfish. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth. Really nice fish right here. That's what I'm talking about. It's been a good day. Jumped one tarpon, a lot of micro snook. And look at this redfish right here, baby. Huge redfish. Not huge, but definitely a lot more fatter than the other redfish that we've been catching. So here we go again. Gonna unhook this guy and let him go. Hopefully catch another one. Hell yeah. So chunky red right here, third one of the day. Nice blue tail. Beautiful blue tail. There he goes. See you, dude. All right, so what's going on, guys? I'm gonna end the video right here. Unfortunately, the GoPro died on me / having issues on the day that I filmed this video. So I didn't have an outro, but I hope you guys liked the video. It was a good day. I caught 3 redfish, a few snook. I did catch a trout, but I did not get it on film because the GoPro's having issues, but it was a decent day. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, give me some feedback, let me know what I'm doing wrong, let me know how I could be better. Until next time, peace.